Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Okay, so actually I made like a mistake in the title in the last video yesterday. So yeah, funny enough, you're getting like videos every day somehow. Um, Obviously what's this? This video is only for like, I mean, because it's Friday, so I can kind of, it's weekend. Tomorrow also we'll get a video early. But other than that, like in the weekdays, you're gonna get the videos kind of late. Regardless, who cares about that? Today we're actually gonna review some other people's portfolios because last time I showed you my portfolio and how it used to look and what I'm gonna do. So the purpose of these videos is to actually like take a look at the videos, uh, excuse me, at the portfolios, like copy the good ideas, avoid what's lacking and like the problems, and yeah, just take a look at how the space is looking of portfolios. If you want to get a job or something. Let me just adjust this. You can see like my crazy good setup of a bike's water bottle and a microphone. It sticks there like I don't know, it's kind of genius to be honest. To be honest, I was going to go for a bike ride. Where's the bike? There it is. Well, I mean, indoor bike ride technically, or maybe outside bike ride. Who knows? But I gave up because I was tired. Because I already did like a race yesterday, and I placed third. I don't know how I did that. I'm super weak these days. I haven't trained for like a month. But yeah, it's kind of cool to be able to not die easily, let's say. Okay, um, let's go. Let me take you to the other screen. So I joined Anthony Sisteli's, what is it, Discord? I don't know, what do I have to do? Okay, so I have to introduce myself. What? No, I'm not gonna introduce myself. You think I'm gonna introduce myself? No, of course not. Anyway, let's take a look at the websites. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at them like in a chronological order. So the latest one, we're gonna take a look at it first. I'm probably gonna do like 3 episodes because I don't have anything better to do, to be honest. And I'm kind of tired of development for now, so I'm just gonna do these videos, and then after that we just as so we can get like good ideas and stuff. You know what I mean? Like good ideas. Okay, let's take a look at this one. To be honest, I don't know how to change tabs. Uh, I can't display what's everything I was trying to hide. Um, how do I change tabs? Oh, there we go. There we go. Interesting. Now I've learned something new. Thomas, I'm not even gonna try to high slop. Excuse me. I mean, I'm sorry about this, but just like as well the top title, like bringing light to this broken world. I swear, if I was like an employer and I saw this, I mean, I would instantly quit, to be honest. Okay, I forgot my toolkit. So I was like talking a lot without toolkit. So now let's continue now with the toolkit. Now let's talk seriously. This is bad. Oh, I can do Control Z. Nice. Okay, as long as I can Control Z, it's gonna be fine. This is bad. This is not good. Like, please remove these like words. Also, one other thing. If I was an employer and I didn't see anything in the website, I'd probably not even care about what you have here. Yeah, like experience. I see you're like a game developer, I think. Yeah, lead game developer with Finch Studios. Probably would want to see what they make, these people. Whoa, that was like flash, man. My eyes. My eyes. I was super blind. Bird game. Oh, I see, I see. I think I saw that one. The generative AI, yeah, same. Okay, I appreciate that. I'm gonna give you like a 1 point for this. But you used AI to create this effect, I think, didn't you? Like, why is there like a lot of space here? Yeah, you hate generative AI, huh? Anyway, okay, let's continue. So I think all of these should be open by default, or like you should have your experiences first, or your about me section. Let me draw. I think about me. Okay, first, make use of why? What? Why can't I draw on this side? What? I seem to not be able to draw on this side. Super weird. Whoa. I've never had this before. Anyway, utilize the full space, first of all, and let's continue. Experiences, so yeah, this one is good. Software development intern, lead game developer, late 2025. I don't like this late, mid. Okay, actually, I kind of like them because they kind of hide the month. Because if you've been with this company for like a month or even less, it's better if the employer doesn't know. You know what I mean? Mid 2025, present. So you're doing two things at the same time? It's kind of confusing. And also, then in this place, you use mid, and then here you use like exact months. It's kind of a bit weird. How development commission works. So, yeah, November again, you use months, and then you use years. It's a little bit inconsistent, so that's the only issue here. Let's go to education. And it doesn't scroll me back. I'm just like at the bottom here for no reason. Bachelor of Science. So you just started. Okay, are you like 15 years old or something? I mean, not to like criticize or anything. Just yeah, nice. Software engineering. Well, it's good. Projects Bird Game, Popcorn. Interesting. Okay. I mean, I saw that in the comment. Let me go back. I saw it in the comment here, and I was like, okay, okay, nah, man, nah, man. Um, when linking to under what? Okay, yeah. Discernible names, heading element on the sequential order. I got error on my console. Instead of closing a tab, keep tab open, past close tabs. Would something like this would be better just to remove the progress bar entirely? Yeah, I'd probably do something like, yes, similar. I would probably give him the same. I probably wouldn't even do something like this. I would probably do something like what I'm doing in my own portfolio. But yeah, this is like a big no. Like having this progress bar will instantly make me like quit, like reviewing your portfolio. But yeah, I mean, not bad. Let's go back, close this one. Yeah, I want to quit. Same for this one. Let's take another one. Look at another one. Um, edit feedback. Okay, let's open this. Let's open this as well. Let's open this. Okay, so we have now four. Okay, let's do five. Let's do five, and then we're gonna stop. So let's go to this one first. Whoa, this is nice. Okay, first of all, okay, let's go back and let's check this one. This is nice. I mean, it feels like cozy and everything. Okay, actually, now that I see it from my other screen, it's. I mean, the color that I'm seeing right now is not the same that I'm seeing. Well, this one is 100% sRGB and RGB and whatever, all the GBs. But this one is like garbage. So I think what I'm seeing right now is what probably 90% of the people will see. So it's kind of good. Still, even though the color, I think if it goes a little bit blue, if it's a little bit more blue, it will be looking better. Because I'm seeing it blue in here. I don't know if I can. I don't know how I can show you what I'm looking at. Anyway, what I'm seeing here, it's kind of blue, and on my screen, on the video and everything, it's looking green. Well, greener. Anyway, first year engineering student development based in Hyderabad. Hyderabad. I don't know where this is. Okay, that's a good. That's a cool effect. Great attention to detail. Web application. Okay, but why is like the text going whiter when I'm anyway? So we have a GitHub. Let's check. LinkedIn. I'm not gonna check. Tech stack, Python, CSS. C language content writing. I don't think content writing is a tech stack. But yeah, email me. So this one takes you to the email. Hyperpad. Yeah, I was wondering where it is, but I can't see it. Oh, this one just shows the time. Global likes. Live interactions? What? So if I keep clicking on this one, I'm just gonna increase the the likes for this one. Yeah, I don't think that's a good mechanism because I can just like spam, and you will have like a million likes or something. Anyway, current focus. Okay, so this JavaScript and have your projects live. So this one pedal for hackathon. LFC news app. Okay, so this one in process. Quantum poet. Quantum randomness concepts to create non-deterministic verses. This is great. This looks great. Genius concepts. So yeah, it doesn't have a lot of. Okay, let's start first with the how it looks. It looks great, looking good, at least in my opinion. But yeah, same what the guy said. It's like it's lacking content. And yeah, when I go to your GitHub, I don't see anything. 2025 was yeah. You need a little bit more stuff in your GitHub. Social links don't work. Yeah, yeah. I can't even give interactions. Wow, sad. Tab icon. Tab icon. Was there tabs in there? I don't think there was. Well, our reviews are just like from the top, so we can see what we can look at. I don't know what this is. Oh, oh. Seriously, I'm I'm seriously gonna go blind with all these like flashes. I don't even have glasses. Like this one is just basically what do you call it? Like a frame. It's basically a frame. I haven't even gone to the doctor. You know what? Actually, I might go tomorrow. Yeah, I might go tomorrow because I'm gonna go blind if I don't go. Yeah, bro, with all these flashes, seriously, I'm just gonna go blind. Okay, what are all these? I think this is a template, or let me check. Yeah, I'm like 80% sure this is template. Yeah, let's continue. So if you click project skills, okay, so the tabs are okay. Okay, let's see. So this one is from GitHub, obviously, or lead code. What? Okay, elite code about full stack, India, quick facts, Web3, developer creating elegant interfaces with bus engineering. Yeah, well, yeah, I kind of agree, but what are all these like weird extra icons? I feel like this was AI generated. Okay, no, this is not the type of. I mean, I love the cleanness of the UI, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna make it light mode so everybody turn. Oh man, oh it's too light. It's too white. I don't think I can read it like that. File drop, secure file sharing. Okay. Block raise the app. Okay, and I'm just gonna check. AI powered DeFi. What is DeFi? Sentiment analysis. Oh, interesting. NFT. Yeah, it's a lot of Web3 projects. And to be honest, I think Web3 died the moment like FTX was destroyed. Because at that moment, we all knew that 99% of people or of company or like 99% of companies will use like Web3 to scam people or to make profit, easy profit. Like only barely like 0.1% of companies are going to create useful things with Web3. And that's what basically killed Web3. Let's continue. Um, yeah, that's a lot of technical skills. I mean, I had a lot, but I'm like billion years of experience. If 2 years. TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, C++, C, Java, Solidity. What? Okay, so Solidity, of course, work 3. Git, Axios, React Router. No. Tan Stack, React. No. Resistant Redux. No as well. Drizzle or no. No, 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 no. You shouldn't like write anything that comes to mind, to be honest. Yeah, this one is what I'm talking. This one is good. At least he's doing some coding. Yeah, I don't like these like where you put a lot of skills. Let's take a look at what the people told him. I want them all. Yeah, basically. Yeah, basically. Maybe what goes wrong? Okay, background and foreground colors do not have sufficient heading elements are not in a sequentially. Okay, and Discord. Yeah, remove Discord. It's not professional, obviously. See what a lot of people are saying. Maybe merge experiences. Yep. If you're like, what's this? Android Club, their community. Yeah, basically, it's not like yeah, this is like self employment in some sense, because like for community and for the club, yeah, it's basically self employment in some sense. What website was this? Somebody just wrote like a whole essay or something. What? What is this? I don't know what's the use of this one. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Let's continue. Let's continue, I guess. Okay, so this one, not bad. Whoa, I don't like this. Sorry, Richard. So, but I mean, no, actually, now that I've seen it, actually, I kind of like this background off. Whoa, that's a cool animation. I don't think AI has the capabilities to do something like this. Unless it is with AI, then it's like, I guess it's cool. But okay, and now that I see it, now that I see that you work with Amazon, I don't have a right to say anything, to be honest. Still, like Amazon, yeah, it's good. Uh, yeah, I think this project was created with some absolute care. I don't think you can do this kind of good work with AI, because AI was just bullshit. But also one more thing. Okay, it works. Flipping my website off. No, that is not what I meant. Well, I don't know. Chapter zero. Spent way too much time on this. I love the style. Okay, actually, now that I see it, I kind of change my mind. Not gonna lie, it's kind of growing on me the more I see it. But this is not the style I'm going for. So yeah, I just took 18 minutes of your time without any useful things. But I'm gonna give you like I'm gonna do two more episodes of this, and we're just gonna take like the notes, and I'm gonna give you like the whole summary of what I learned from these things. I like. Oh, nearly my microphone setup nearly fell. I like the style. I like what he's going for. Nexus. I don't know what Nexus is. Caption Labs. Are these like projects? Hmm, interesting. Newgrass. It's not working. May reach out in the meantime. And in the hacking, I'm focusing crazy software. But okay, so these are I think his projects. Let's check one of them. Nexus. What's with all these like weird animations? I thought it was moving with my cursor, but no. Base. Whoa, but what is going on? I mean, it's either way too white or way too blue. What is this? No, I don't like this. This is obviously not made with AI except for the background. But man, this is. No, I know, I know. I just want to see seats. I don't know. No, actually, I know. Yeah, there's no pricing. This is one of his projects, I think. Yeah. But man, like, god damn, I'm gonna go blind with all these things. So that's it. Okay, web design development you can rely on. It's like an agency, I think. Interesting. Okay, what's this? Like this, the time? God damn. Or the space, excuse me, like between these. It's crazy. Check us out. Portfolio. Oh, I don't like this. I don't know. I kind of actually this type of graphs I like it. I use it in my own projects when I need to, but I don't like it in this case. Yeah, it still needs a lot of work, and this one doesn't work. Yeah, regardless. Case studies, interesting. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, I know where he got this from because I also want to get to something like make something like this. This is looking great. This looks great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna how do I how do I like capture? No, no. Anyway, this is what I really okay. This is what I want to do in uh, in my portfolio. I want to create something like this where it's like case studies and like I display all the data about how I created the project from start to finish, like the use cases and like why we made such decisions and everything. I love these kind of things. I want to add those to my website. And then we go back, takes us to a lot more websites. Interesting. Let's take a look at his website. Um where's like the he doesn't talk about he doesn't talk about the use cases. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the website where I think okay, I'm not sure the origin of this use case thing, but I'm sure these people did it way, way before everybody. Like at least they are so old, these people. Well, not old. Like they are one of the OGs in this kind of thing. Forgive me for all the whiteness. I'm also gonna go blind with all these websites, but still, as you can see, these are like they're called Fikri Studio. They're one of the OGs, and they also create like this style of like UI and UX and like case studies and everything. Okay, now we should quit because I'm gonna go blind. Yeah, nice. We're back to dark mode. Anyway, like these look cool to be honest. Yeah. Uh, today's lesson. I was gonna make the meme, but anyway. Um, here's the first thing we're gonna take from all these portfolios is the case study. So the case study is something we're gonna add to the portfolio. I'm gonna make it kind of dynamic. I'm still thinking about how to do it, but we'll see. I have already like built like a page builder from scratch technically, and yeah, we can like we have a lot of options. We can make it like a page builder style. We can I don't know, like we have a lot of options, and that's the big advantage we have in here. So yeah, Yusuf, nice website, Yusuf, nice website. Personal blog, Mac and question accessible social media, charity. Okay, what kind of charity is he supporting? Let's see. Okay, this doesn't make any difference to what I'm giving him, but still, yeah, it's a great thing to add like something like donate to charity and stuff. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Not gonna lie. I think I removed the two websites with one. Yeah, I did a mistake. Give me a second. We're back. Yeah, great. Which one was this one? It was Yusuf. Yeah, Ultimate Software Engineer. Yeah, this one is great. Yeah, Yusuf is doing great. The portfolio don't answer that. There is yeah, actually I didn't notice this. Skills and stuff. Kali Dojo, the project's on top of the small top. Yeah, the images. Interesting. A lot of people see this. What the cut intentional. Okay, yeah, there's still like a lot of bugs and things. Hmm. Yeah, interesting. Thank you, Anthony Sestili, by the way, for giving me some content. Nice. Yeah. See you in the next one. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep reviewing other people's portfolios. To be honest, it's kind of boring. I'm not as funny or as interesting as the Anthony Sestili and how he makes his videos. So what I'm gonna do is next video just gonna go straight to the point. You know what I mean? Like we're gonna straight go and like create the concept or the mock-up for our like for the portfolio, and then we're gonna like create some class diagrams because I want to make the portfolio dynamic in some sense. So like if I give you the template, you can first deploy it, and then you can update it however you want. And that's like my goal for this thing. Yeah. So we're gonna first create like some a concept, and then from the concept we can deduct what classes and what database entities we'll need, and then from that we're gonna go and create the project architecture. I'm gonna show you how I create like my projects and why I make some of the decisions I do, especially in my .NET project. Okay, let me go back to the face cam so you can see me without looking at weird things. So yeah, we're gonna be using Blazor for the project, but technically anybody can come in and like take the. Actually, now that I'm talking about, I'm thinking of making the landing page like a dynamic page as well. Seems like a good idea, I think, to be honest. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about it. We'll see. We'll see. We have like a lot of how do I say it? Yeah, we have a lot of options in here. So yeah, we can like decide as we go. I was kind of like I still have like a series where I started doing this, but it was like offline. I mean, I recorded this one in like I don't know November probably. I had a little bit of free time at that time, but now that like the PhD work is getting like a little bit intense, I'm thinking of not doing anything beforehand, just like winging it, as they say. Regardless, well, see you tomorrow, I guess. Hope you're all doing well, and yeah, see you next time.